Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to replace one of these coolant hoses on this Mercedes. This is on a GL450, but this part might also be on other models as well. So the part here, the problem with it is that it's a weak design. This hose down here connects right to this basically T, but over time or due to movement it just breaks. So what we'll do is we need to replace that. First, the new part that you will get, it'll come like this. As you can see, it goes all the way, supposed to take it off all the way to the bottom. But getting to that bottom there is really tight. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the clamp right here. We're going to disconnect this, and we're just gonna reuse the piece that's already in there. We're gonna have to put a new clamp on it. As you can see right there, the old one we just had to cut out the clamp itself and then throw that away, and then we're gonna reinstall everything, put everything back together. Just for reference, the part number here is A278-200-2551. That's for both pieces together. Replacing this is pretty easy if you're going to disconnect right here, because all you have to do is, of course, the first thing is to drain some of the coolant. But if you have that broken hose, you probably have lost some coolant already. You don't have to drain all of it. You have a Torx bolts right back here, and you need to remove that, and then you'll install this, the new one. One thing to note is that on this end here where it breaks, you'll notice that you probably have the tip of the broken piece still in there, so this piece might still be inserted in there. So you're gonna have to pull that out to clean that off in order to reconnect it. So we're going to reconnect this here. You want to make sure that's pushed in all the way, and then you're gonna have to tighten that clamp right there. It looks like it's all the way in. Yep, and then we need to use a screwdriver to tighten that clamp. Okay, so the next thing is we need to secure it with the bolt back here, and the bolt is going to be a little bit tight. You don't have a lot of room, but can be done. And let me show you where that bolt is. So right down there. Let's see. Once we start threading that by hand, then we can use a wrench to tighten that. So that's tight. Next we need to connect these two hoses. We need to put a clamp on this lower one and then reconnect that. Don't forget to put the clamp over there, and then this goes right there. It connects right there, and then you just release this clamp over that, and that's it. Thank you for watching.